Hi, I'm Shubham. I'm one of the co-founder and the CEO at Trinity. I'm a qualified biotechnologist with several years of experience in vaccine development. I'm a hardworking guy who looks for the best way to complete a task as well as to interact with people. My role as a CEO has responsibility to lead the company in the most efficient ways so as to fulfill the company's vision. My leadership style and behavior orients around task completion in an efficient manner as well as ensuring effective communication. Negotiating with people is one of my skills, and my aim to for goal fulfillment revolves around maintaining a great relationship with the investor and the customer alike. Our product, simply put, is a personal trainer for your immune system to fight against cancer. Obviously, any great idea or product requires a great team to execute it, and my full trust in my team is because of their intuition and their commitment towards the goal. And at Trinity, we value diversity and inclusion.
Hi, I'm Paramita, and I am one of the co founders and the Chief Marketing Officer for Trinity. My passion for our work is informed by an extensive background in biotechnology and marketing. I've worked in many different aspects of this industry, from laboratories on the cutting edge of vaccine technology to large pharmaceutical corporations, and often in roles at the intersection of science and people. I've developed a keen sense of leadership through a lot of trial and error, and I utilize a relationship centric approach with an emphasis on communication, collaboration, and democracy in all my teams. As you can probably tell by now, I am a people person. For me, this isn't just about the product, it's about all the people and stories it touches, from everyone contributing to its creation to everyone that will one day use it. And as the Chief Marketing Officer, I get to communicate Trinity's vision and tell people how our product will change their story. Given my years of experience in this industry, I have a deep understanding of our market and how to reach it, which means I am uniquely positioned to introduce our product in the best way possible. My goal is to operate with vision and create synergy to start Trinity's story with its best foot forward. It's a big responsibility, but one I'm privileged to carry out effectively.
Hi everyone, my name is Aaron and I am the Chief Compliance Officer at Trinity. My role is to ensure each and every vaccine we produce is safe and meets or exceeds ethical and regulatory standards. To do this, I plan to leverage my background in science and biotechnology to become an effective liaison between our team of innovators and governments and advocacy groups. I have built connections and led negotiations with these groups throughout my previous 10 years working in laboratories and in similar compliance roles, and am intimately familiar with the attention to detail my role demands. It is my responsibility to diligently oversee our products and processes, to make sure every I is dotted and every T crossed, working together with governments, regulatory bodies, ethics committees, and lawyers to offer our solution to as many people in as many places as possible. At Trinity, our goal is to provide a safe, effective, and reliable cancer vaccine, to do our part in protecting you and your loved ones, and I am honored to be part of this mission. Thank you.
Hey everyone, I am Chandana, the Chief Scientific Officer at the Trinity.
And I'm Dilana, the co-CSO.
Every year, millions are diagnosed with cancer, losing their precious time with their loved ones, time pursuing their dreams, and time simply living. Cancer doesn't just take lives, it devours the moment that makes life worth living. What if we can stop it before it starts?
That's the vision driving Trinity. Our breakthrough is an mRNA vaccine that delivers synthetic instructions for tumor-specific markers. Once inside the body, these instructions prime the immune system to recognize and destroy the precancerous cell before they can take hold.
In the preclinical models, our multi-antigen vaccines has shown a 1 lakh fold increase in immune activation when compared to earlier approaches. In early phase trials for prostate cancer, we doubled the median survival rates. Now we are expanding to tackle lung and breast cancers.
What sets us apart isn't just science, it's the team behind it. As scientific leaders, we each bring our unique expertise. Chandana's background in immunotherapy ensures our approach targets the right cells with precision, while my expertise in translational research bridges the gap from lab innovations to clinical approach.
We work hand in hand with CEO on investor strategies and with our CTO to ensure that our vaccine can be manufactured at scale. Our leadership style is collaborative. We try to challenge each other, share accountability, and make sure that every decision aligns in both scientific rigor and business goals.
We know that bringing new cancer prevention technology to market is about more than just research. It's about building trust with patients, clinicians, and investors. That's why we prioritize transparent communication, milestone driven progress, and culture of inclusion as we grow our team.
Investing in Trinity isn't just funding science, it's funding time. Time for parents to see their children grow. Time for breakthroughs that we can't just yet imagine. With your partnership, we can make cancer prevention a reality within the next decade.
We are Trinity, and together we are ready to lead this transformation.
Hey everyone, I am Nandana, the Chief Operating Officer at Trinity.
And I'm Catherine George, the Chief Technical Officer. Together, we lead Trinity's mission to change the future of cancer treatment.
At Trinity, we are developing personalized mRNA cancer vaccines, tailored treatments designed to target the unique tumor profiles of individual patients.
Our approach uses advanced genomic analysis to identify each patient's tumor-specific mutations. We then design a custom mRNA vaccine that instructs the immune system to recognize and eliminate those cancer cells with surgical precision.
So, Catherine, when you think about Trinity's competitive edge, what stands out the most from a technical perspective?
Great question. What makes Trinity truly different is our speed of personalization. Our bioinformatic pipeline can design a custom vaccine within days, drastically reducing the time between diagnosis and treatment. And equally important, our platform is scalable, meaning we can handle individualization without losing efficiency.
Now, my role as Chief Operating Officer is to ensure that this innovation doesn't stay in the lab. It reaches the patients who need it most. I manage Trinity's lab operations, vendor partnerships, human resources, and regulatory compliance, building a foundation that supports rapid development and strict GMP and GLP standards.
And as a Chief Technical Officer, I oversee research and development, ensuring every vaccine we produce is clinically actionable, scalable, and backed by robust science.
At Trinity, operations and innovation work together seamlessly, ensuring that every breakthrough is not just possible but deliverable.
Because at Trinity, it's not enough to have a discovery. It's about building the system to deliver that discovery to every patient when it matters the most.
We are the founding operations and technical leadership of Trinity, and we are committed to delivering the next evolution in personalized cancer care.
Hello, I am Ashit, CFO of Trinity, in a company developing personalized mRNA cancer vaccines. My focus is building a strong financial foundation that matches the complexity and the potential of our science. Personalized vaccines demand significant investment across R&D, clinical trials, regulatory pathways, and scalable GMP manufacturing. My role is to design capital strategies that not only fund each critical milestone but also maximize investor value while managing risk. I work closely with investors, grant bodies, and strategic partners to secure diverse funding sources, ensuring we have the sufficient runway need to advance our platform through clinical validation and commercialization. Through disciplined financial planning and interest-based negotiation, I align stakeholders' goals with our company's needs, creating smart, sustainable growth. Trinity is building the future of cancer care, and my job is to make sure we are financially ready to lead it.